In this video, I will share with you how to cancel Admiral Insurance. So friends, if you want to cancel your insurance, follow me in this video. Go to this form, a form cancellation online. Choose this one. For example, single card. Choose your type of insurance you want to cancel. Choose cancel this policy, for example, a car or something like this. For example, this one. From here, scroll down. If you have police holders, click yes. If you don't have, click wow. And then you can add another car. As you can see here, for this one, click another car. If you have one, click continue. Code. From here, choose your enter your registration vehicle which you want to cancel. Write your registration. From here, would you like cancellation? Are you request cancel? Click cancellation. Choose your policy be cancellation with 13 days. Choose your policy here. Choose your date. Choose cancellation, this one. And then scroll down, write confirm, and then click continue. It should be write your registration, this one, and then click continue. After that, write your policy number that you have, write your all details, what is your name, last name, write your address, fill all these details. After that, click submit this option. So friends, after write all this form, click submit. This is how you can do to cancel your insurance. I hope it is guided for you friends. Don't forget give like and give share this video.